Today I will teach you the lesson multiply fractions. But before we go to the lesson, let's do a quick review on how to simplify fraction. So the fraction you see inside the green boxes are the original fraction, and the fraction you see in the red boxes, they are the simplified fraction. So simplified means you make things complicated much more simpler. Okay, so let's look at 18 and 12. 18 over 12. If we look into the multiplication chart, we will see both 18 and 12 gonna go at the row for 6 and at the row for 3. So that means 3 can go into both 18 and 12, and 6 can also go to both 18 and 12. So we pick the highest number, 6. We know 6 going to 18 by 3, right? So 6 times 3 gonna equal 18, and we know 6 goes into 12 2 times, so 6 times 2 equal 12. So now if you look into top and bottom, we have both 6, so let's cancel those 6. So what left in the denominator? 3 in the numerator, and left in the denominator is 2. So 3 over 2 is a simplified form for 18 over 12. Okay, the next problem, 50 and 40. What number goes into both 50 and 40? 10, right? So 10 go into 50 about 5 times. And 10 go into 40 4 times. So as we can see, 10 we have on the numerator and as well as on the denominator, so we can cancel that out. So what left in the numerator? 5, and what left in the denominator? 4. So the simplified form of 50 over 40 is 5 over 4. The next one we're gonna do is 4 over 6. So we know that 2 goes to both 4 and 6. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. We see that they have 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. So let's cancel them out. So what left on the numerator is 2, and what left on the denominator is 3. So the simplified form of 4 over 6 is 2 over 3. And the last one we can do is a over 32. We know that a goes into both a and 32. So a times 1 is a times 4 is 32. And then we can cancel both a. So we will have 1 4 is the simplified form. Okay, so how can we multiply fraction? If we have 4 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 10, there are two ways that we can do. The first way I want to introduce is multiply across and then you simplify. So when we say multiply across, that means we're going to take the numerator multiplied by the numerator. So in this case, 4 multiplied by 3 over the denominator multiplied by the denominator, 9 multiplied by 10. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 10 is 90. Okay, so now if you look at 12 over 90, they are both even numbers, right? So that means 2 can go into both of them. So we can rewrite 12 as 2 times 6, and 90 is 2 times 45. Now we have both 2 on denominator and numerator, so we can cancel them out. So we will have 6 over 45. When we look at the fraction 6 over 45, we can still simplify it because 3 goes into both 6 and 45. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 15 is 45. Now we can cancel 3 again. So the final answer will be 2 over 15. Okay, that is a simplified form. The next option we're going to do is we need to simplify first and then we can multiply across. So if I look at 4 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 10, I realize that 4 and 10, they have the connection. So if I write 4 and 10 on the side note, I know that 4 equal 2 times 2. And I know that 10 equal 2 times 5. Okay, so instead of writing 4, I will write 2 times 2. And instead of writing 10, I will write 2 times 5. Okay. The next one, I realized that 3 and 9, they have the connection because 3 times 1 equals 3. And 9 equals 3 times 3. So instead of writing 3, I will write 3 times 1. And instead of writing 9, I will write 3 times 3. Any question? Yeah, we good? Okay. So now, if you look at the numerator, you will see we have 4 elements. We have 2, 2, and 3, and 1. If you look at the denominator, we have 4 as well. We have 3, 3, 2, and 5. So I realized that I can cancel the 3 on the numerator and the 3 on the denominator because they are the same. Also, I can simplify the 2 and another 2. So what left on the numerator? 2 and 1. What left on the denominator? We have 3 and 5. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 5 is 15. So we get the same answer. So for this problem, I want to do is I want to simplify first and then I will multiply across. So let's do it. 7 over 10 multiplied by negative 5 over 4. The answer will be a negative because positive times negative, the answer will be negative. For those 4 numbers, I realized that 5 and 10, they have the connection because 5 times 1 is 5 and 10 equals 5 times 2. So instead of writing 5, I will write 5 times 1. And instead of writing 10, I will write 5 times 2. Okay. So on numerator and denominator, I have 5. So I can cancel the 5 out. So what left on the numerator? 7 times 1. What left on the denominator? 2 times 4. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is 8. So my answer will be negative 7 over 8. So the next problem, I will still do simplify first and then I multiply. Negative 4 over 15 multiplied by negative 5 over 6. The answer will be a positive answer. So if I look into 4 numbers, I realize that 4 and 6, they have the connection. 4 equal 2 times 2 and 6 equal 2 times 3. Also 5 and 15, they have a connection because 5 equal 5 times 1 and 15 equal 5 times 3. So instead of writing 4, I will write 2 times 2. And instead of writing 15, I will write 5 times 3. Instead of writing 5, I will write 5 times 1. And instead of writing 6, I will write 2 times 3. So now let me simplify. I have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, so I will cancel them out. Also, I have 5 on the bottom and 5 on top. I can cancel them out. So the leftover on top is 2 times 1, and the leftover on the bottom is 3 times 3. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. So my answer will be positive 2 over 9. Negative 5 over 9 multiplied by 6 over 11. I realize that 6 and 9, they have a connection because 6 equals 3 times 2 and 9 equals 3 times 3. So negative 5 over 9 multiplied by positive 6 over 11, that's equal negative answer. So instead of writing 5 we keep the same, but 9 we can change to 3 times 3. 6 we can change to 3 times 2, and we keep 11 the same. So now, numerator they have 1 3, and denominator they have another 3, so we can cancel them out. So the leftover on top is 5 times 2, and the leftover on the bottom is 3 times 11. 5 times 2 equals 10, 3 times 11 equals 33. So the final answer is negative 10 over 33. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.